Welcome back to Wi-Fi Learning Resource. In this video, we continue our RPSC Librarian Paper 1 PYQ series with part 2nd, covering question 26 to 50 from the paper held on 5th May 2025. This is a direct continuation of part first. So uh, let's jump to the question number 26. So let's start with question number 26. We all cover this question in our previous video. Uh, if you want to cover this question, please see our previous video. That is part first. In this video, we start the question with question number 26. This is a part second of, and it is a continuation of the part first. Let's start with question number 26. So, question number 26 is arrange the following acts according to their year of enactment in ascending order. We have to uh, arrange the act according to year of enactment. So let's start. What is the answer for this question? So for this question, the correct answer for this question answer is option number 3. So let's understand. So let's start. First comes Kerala Public Library Act, which is comes in the year 1989. Then Odisha Public Library Act, which comes in the years 2001. Then Rajasthan Public Library Act, which comes in the year 2006. Then last one is Pradesh Public Library Act, which comes in the year 2009. So, so this is the ascending order of the Public Library Act. We also understand the all the years of Public Library Act. So, first one is the Kolhapur Public Library Act, which is non-functional, which is also known as which are Karan Veer Vachan Mandir, which comes in the year 1945. Then Tamil Nadu Public Library Act, which is also known as Madras Public Library Act, which comes in the year 1948. Then let's move to the next Public Library Act, which is a Andhra Pradesh Public Library Act, which is also known as Hyderabad Public Library Act 1955, now known as Andhra Pradesh Public Library Act, which comes in the year 1960. Let's move to the next Public Library Act, which is Karnataka Public Library Act, which comes in the year 1965, which is also known as Mysore Public Library Act. Next, let's move to the next Public Library Act, which is Maharashtra Public Library Act, which comes in the year 1967. Uh, and next one is West Bengal Public Library Act, which is comes in the year 1979. Next one is Manipur Public Library Act, which comes in the year 1988. Next is Haryana Public Library Act, which comes in the year 1989. Then Kerala Public Library Act, which comes in the year 1989. Uh, Next one is Mizoram Public Library Act, which comes in the year 1993. Let's move to the next is Goa Public Library Act, which comes in the year 1993. Next one is Odisha Public Library Act, which comes in the year 2001. Next one is Gujarat Public Library Act, which comes in the year 2001. Next one is Uttarakhand Public Library Act, which comes in the year 2005. Next one is Rajasthan Public Library Act, which comes in the year 2006. Next one is Uttar Pradesh Public Library Act, which comes in the year 2006. Next one is Lakshadweep Pondicherry Public Library Act, which comes in the year 2007. Next one is Bihar Public Library Act, which comes in the year 2008. Next one is Chhattisgarh Public Library Act, which comes in the year 2008. Next one is Arunachal Pradesh Public Library Act, which comes in the year 2009. And next one, which is our last, Telangana Public Library Act, which comes in the year 2015. These are all our public library act with the year of establishment. So I hope you understand all the Public Library Act. Let's move to the question number 27. Question number 27 is, match the following UDC third abridged edition notation with their auxiliaries. So let's match. Uh, First one is a language. Second one is form. Third one is time. Fourth one is place. So the correct answer for this question is, as per model answer key, is option number 2. Option number 2 is the correct answer, which is, so language is represented with the equal to sign, form is represented with 0, and time is represented with 1 by 9. Oh, and the place is represented with double inverted comma. Let's move to the question number 28, which is, which of the following was the first library science periodical in India? So correct answer for this question is option number 1. Option number 1, that is Library Miscellany. So correct answer for this question is option number 1. Was Library Miscellany was the first library science periodical in India. Let's move to the question number 29. Who among the following proposed the demand and supply theory of book selection in 1925? So correct answer for this question is L.R. McColvin is the correct answer. L.R. McColvin proposed the demand and supply theory of book selection in 1925. Let's move to the question number 30. Study of sign and codes is called. The correct answer for this question is option number 1. Semiotics is the study of sign and codes. Who among the following did not develop a model of communication? So let's see. The correct answer for this question is option number 2. Lancaster is not a model of communication. Berlioz is a model of communication. Aristotle also developed a model of communication. Shannon Weaver is also the model of communication. So let's move to the question number 32. Which of the following are knowledge management tools? So let's see. Uh, the correct answer for this question is option number 2. So A, that is document management, enterprise portal, collaboration tool, and communities of practice. All are knowledge management tool. Let's move to the question number 33. Where is Central Braille Press located in India? So correct answer for this question is option number 3, which is Dehradun. Dehradun is a place where Central Braille Press located in India. Dehradun is a place. So let's move to the question number 34. Which of the following is not an entity in FRBR? So let's see which one is not entity in FRBR. So correct answer for this question is option number 3. Addition is not an entity in FRBR. Person is an entity, item is an entity, and expression is an entity in FRBR. But addition is not an entity in FRBR. Let's move to the question number 35. Which of the following statement is not correct about ISSN India? So correct answer for this question is option number 3. Assignment requests cannot be declined. This is not a correct statement about ISSN. So let's see which is the correct statement. Assignment request process may take minimum 30 working days. This is a correct statement about ISSN. And assign free of charge, that is also true. Books are not eligible for ISSN assignment, that is also true. Let's move to the question number 36. Who among the following introduced the sense making conceptual tool in library and information science? So correct answer for this question is option number 2. Brenda Darwin is the correct answer. Brenda Darwin introduced the sense-making conceptual tool in library and information science. Let's move to the question number 37. Who devised the author impact factor, AIF? So correct answer for this question is option number 2. Rajkumar Pan and Santo Fortunato is the correct answer for this question. Rajkumar Pan and Santo Fortunato devised the author impact factor AIF. So let's move to the question number 38. In which of the following budget a fixed amount of money is allocated for each activity, item, or unit of an organization? The correct answer for this question is option number 4. Lump sum budget. A fixed amount of money is allocated for each activity, an item, or unit of an organization. So correct answer is option number 4, lump sum budget, as per model answer key provided by RPSC. So let's move to the question number 39. Which of the following is not a basic question of Lasswell model of communication? The correct answer for this question is option number 2, when. When is not a basic question of Lasswell model of communication. Say what, who, and to whom is a basic question of Lasswell model of communication. Let's move to the question number 40. What is the recent full form of SPSS? Let's see what is the full form of SPSS. So correct option is option number 2 is the correct full form of SPSS, that is statistical product and service solution. Let's move to the question number 41, sorry, which of the following act not to be infringement of copyright? So correct option for this question is option number 4 is the correct answer for this question, which is A and D. A1 is a personal use and D1 is a review. Personal use and review acts not to be infringement of copyright. Makes for sale by way of trade exhibit in public acts to be a infringement of copyright. Let's move to the question number 42. Which of the following is a publishing arm of SILIP? The correct answer for this question is option number 1, Facet Publishing. Facet Publishing is the right answer, is a publishing arm of SILIP. Facet Publishing. Let's move to the question number 43. Who gave the concept of prosumer, where consumer of information becomes a producer of information? The correct answer for this question is option number 4. That is Alvin Toffler. Alvin Toffler gave the concept of prosumer, where consumer of information becomes a producer of information. Alvin Toffler gave this concept. The question number 44 is the Central Reference Library is a subordinate office of. The correct answer for this question is option number 3, which is Ministry of Culture, Government of India. Let's move to the question number 45. The publisher of the Journal of Information Literacy is. The correct answer for this question is option number 1, SILIP. SILIP is the right answer for this question, and it is a publisher of the Journal of Information Literacy. Let's move to the question number 46. Who among the following received the first ALA Margaret Mann Award in 1951? The correct answer for this question is option number 2. Lucille M. Morse is the correct answer for this question. He received the first ALA Margaret Mann Award in 1951. Let's move to the question number 47. Who introduced the acronym POTS Corp to describe the 7 functions of management? The correct answer for this question is option number 2. Luther Gulick and Lyndall Urwick is the right answer for this question. He gave the acronym of POTS Corp. Let's move to the question number 48. Identify the odd one from mode of formation of subject perspective. The correct answer for this question is option number 3 is the right answer for this question, natural, that is natural science. Let's move to the question number 49. Ontological question interrogate fundamental ideas about. The correct answer for this question is option number 3, real. Real is the right answer for this question. Let's move to the question number 15, which is a last question for this session. We will cover later another 25 question in our next video, that is part 3rd, and cover another 25 question in our next session. So last question is, that is question number 50. When W3C published recommendation for cascading style sheet CSS level 1, the correct answer for this question is option number 1, that is December 1996. W3C published recommendation for cascading style sheet CSS level 1. So we cover all 25 questions in this series of RPSC Librarian Librarian paper 1 held on 5th May 2025, and this is the continuation of part 1, and this video is a part second of series of PYQ. So thank you for watching this video. Please stay tuned. So we will solve the another 25 question. Thank you for watching this video.